Welcome to the Did He Do It talk show, where we talk to people who were denied constitutional right. Today we have Clarence Earl Gideon, who was from the Gideon versus Wainwright case, who we shall call Gideon. Welcome.
Thank
you.
you.
Talk about what happened?
Yeah, I'll talk about what happened. So, in 1961, someone burglarized a pool room in Panama City, and they thought it was me, but I didn't. So I was walking around with change in my pocket, some pocket change. And then some police officer came up to me and started arresting me. They took me down, put me in, in the cell. Then they took me to court. And I was too poor to afford a lawyer, so I had to do my trial by myself, And since Florida laws only allows those who would receive death penalty, I was not allowed to have a lawyer, since I was not receiving death penalty. So I did the whole case for myself, but I was found guilty for breaking and entering. So I was sentenced to 5 years in prison. So I passing time in prison, I studied law, right? And I put an unlawful imprisonment petition to the Supreme Court. And since they denied it, I then wrote another petition, and they ended up, accepting it. So the Supreme Court allowed me to have a lawyer after 2 years of imprisonment. And I was finally set free and found not guilty on a new trial.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
I also heard that they recorded a little bit of it.
They did record it. They did. They caught it on security cameras.
And they didn't set you free. That's incredible. That actually does sound like a very similar case that happened recently. It was named Alabama versus Shelton, which we will get to after a quick break.
Okay. Deal. What's that noise, man?
Hey, man.
Whoa!
What's that in your pocket?
Whoa, what you mean, yo?
What's all that?
That's my change, man.
I'm gonna have to arrest you, sir.
Whoa,
Arrest you.
what did I do?
This way.
What did I do?
Welcome back to the show. It's been a while since we had Gideon last on the show, but we have a new member on live right now. His name is Lareed Shelton.
Well, I wanted to talk with you because I shared a similar experience with Gideon here. So in 2002, I, Lareed Shelton, was charged with third-degree assault. I was denied an attorney and represented myself in my own trial. I was charged with a 30-day jail term that was immediately suspended by the court. I was placed on probation for 2 years and did not have to serve the sentence unless I broke the terms of probation. I challenged my conviction on the grounds that I was not allowed a court-appointed attorney. The case moved up through the courts, and eventually, the Alabama Supreme Court overturned my sentence after the realization of my rights had been violated. And, that really hurt me deep down inside. I still cry.
Gideon versus Wainwright and the Alabama versus Shelton both connect back to the Sixth Amendment. The Sixth Amendment guarantees the rights of criminal defendants, including the right to a public trial without unnecessary delay, the right to a lawyer, the right to an impartial jury, and the right to know who your accusers are and the nature of the charges and evidence against you. This connects to popular sovereignty ideal within the Constitution. The people should be created equal, even if they can't afford a lawyer, they should be given one. That's all for this episode of Did He Do It? Thanks for watching. Peace.